So now we've seen how to create unordered lists using UL to create the list and then LI to create individual list items. Can you guess how we might create an ordered list? Have a go. I hope you guessed right. All we do is change UL to OL for ordered list, and the same in the closing tag there. And then if we take a look at that, it's exactly the same, except we've got numbers instead of bullet points, so it's ordered. And we can have a little bit of fun with ordered lists, and we can mess things around a little bit. So say, for example, for some reason I wanted to start my list at the number 10 rather than the number 1. I can use an extra attribute, as it's known, in my OL tag to set the start value. So I just use start and then equals, and then usually in quotes we'll put the number that we want to start at. So if I want to start at 10, for example, I just put start equals 10. And a bit like the U tag for underline, start was actually deprecated in HTML 4.01, but it's back in HTML5, and it's supported by every major browser out there, so you can use it quite safely. We can also do a couple of other fun things. We can use reversed in there, and that will do what you might guess, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that does everything in the opposite order. And finally, we can specify the type of ordered list that we want. And there's a few type options. And you can see my text editor here is very nicely giving me the options. So I can use, instead of 1, 2, 3, which is what I've got at the moment, I could use type is equal to A. And that will then, if I save it, give me A, B, C, D. Let's look at the other type options. So we've got capital I there, which gives me capital Roman numerals. There's small I as well, which gives us small Roman numerals. And finally, we've got small a, which gives us A, B, C, D. So a lot of people don't actually know that you can change the type of an ordered list, but you can very easily. All right, that's all you need to know about lists for now. In the next video, we'll go on and see how we add images to our web pages.